Juleon Tech Reviews, back with another video. And today we are going to put on and review the dbrandskin from dbrand, the white marble on the OnePlus 12. Currently I have the flowy emerald version, and we are going to transform it into a white marble. You can get this on the dbrand website, and I'll put the link on the description, but let's go ahead and get started. So I'm a true believer of putting, skins on phones to make it change the aesthetics of the actual phone. And I wanted to change this into white because I know there is a global edition and it looks really good in white. So I figured, hey, let me do the cheap route and let me use about $40 to get, the skin from one of my trusted companies, which is dbrand. And they really pack the instructions. They even have a YouTube video tutorial on how to put it on, but I like to just jump in and put the sticker on because it's a sticker. So what it does come with is a OnePlus logo pack, which is an additional $10, and it comes with the actual white marble fully embodied sticker. So as you can see, I have everything arranged out. I have the instructions. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the color options. So we have the red, white, gray, and black logo variant. However, the entire body is encased with the white marble. And as you can see, as I'm peeling this entire sticker, it comes with the camera housing. So I like to jump right in, just stick it right on there. And it was pretty easy to put on. I like to put a little extra pressure on it just to make sure it stays. Line up the cutouts with the circle and of the camera. So pretty simple to put on. Now the next part is the most important part, which is the full body. So just go ahead and unpeel this sticker. And I've done this in the past with other Samsung phones in my arsenal, but pretty simple cutout, and the dbrand cutouts are very accurate. It lines up laser sharp with the phone, but you still need to do a little bit of work just to make sure that it's on properly and you don't have to constantly move it around, because once you put it in place, it doesn't necessarily stay forever to where you pull it off and the actual sticker comes off. You can actually pull this off and give way to some of the stickiness, but you can pull this off and not harm the phone. That's why I like dbrand a lot. But as you can see, I'm applying a firm pressure on the sides of the unit just to make sure everything is lined up, and also just making sure that the corners are flush, there's no overlap over the phone, and make sure the corners are not wrinkled. There's no wrinkles or any bubbles. But as you can see, pretty simple to put on, but still a little bit more work to do. So just wanted to show you what it looks like. Pretty good. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is apply one of the logos. So I decided to use the OnePlus logo in the color of red. So it's going to be pretty simple to put on. And like I said before, dbrand makes the logo cutout very accurate to this, to where you can actually stick this in between the stickers. So it's a little bit of a struggle because it's so small, but just be careful when you're pulling it off of the adhesive unit, because it can get a little, sensitive. It could rip pretty easy, but it's pretty simple once you put it in, because all you're doing is fitting it in like a puzzle piece, and you're creating the red logo look of the phone. And I'll tell you what, this is a very good look. And as you can see, applied the entire box around it. Now we got to add the plus sign, and once we've added the plus sign, we got to pull it apart from the actual paper here, and it's on my thumb a lot, but once you get that little edge put on there, you can easily fit it in the corner like the puzzle piece. And then lastly, we have the actual number one. So this box logo comes in 3 parts. It comes with the full square, the plus sign, and the number 1. So as you can see, it's fully in there. Everything's good. We're not done yet, but we're just going to keep on applying pressure. Now, you're probably frustrated and seeing there's wrinkles on the side of the phone, on the corners. But the thing you have to do and you have to understand is that you have to use a hair dryer or some sort of, heat to make the adhesive stick and flush out the corners to make sure there's no wrinkles. But we're going to get to that in a second. But as you can see, as I pull it all in, it is looking in great shape. And I fully transformed my phone into a white marble OnePlus 12. So I think it's pretty good rendition of the global version of the white one. But let me know what you think in the comments. I enjoy it. But the last part we're going to use my wife's hair dryer to hit those corners, and just to make sure that we don't put the heat directly on the phone, but we're going to make sure that we have a little bit and enough distance to where we don't, heat up the phone. I just kind of like heat it and then smooth out the edges. And there it is in its final form. Please like and subscribe, and please comment if you have any dbrand skins. We appreciate the support. Peace.